Hello guys, you're welcome to yet another tutorial on natural language processing basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through stopwords, which is also one of the basics of natural language processing. Now, what are stopwords? Stopwords are common words that occur frequently in a language, but typically do not carry significant meaning. Examples of stopwords include a, an, the, is, and an. Now, in natural language processing, stopwords are often removed from text data during preprocessing because they can add noise and increase computational overhead. Now, let's see a basic example. From our example, we have our original text as Python is a programming language used for developing a wide range of software applications. Now, let's see the text after removing stopwords. Now, after removing stopword, we have our sample text as Python programming language used developing wide range software applications. And also, this concept is an essential component of natural language processing, and it's often used in combination with other techniques to preprocess and analyze text data. Now, let's see a basic implementation in Python using the Jupyter IDE. On our Jupyter IDE, the first thing we're going to do is to import our necessary module from NLTK. Next, we create a text variable and we define our sample text. In our own case, we have our sample text as this is a sample sentence demonstrating the removal of stopwords. Next, we pass our text variable as an argument. Next, we get the English stopwords. Next, we remove stopwords from the tokenized text by running a for loop. Finally, we print the filtered words. As you can see from our output, the stopwords have been removed. This is A, cannot be found in our output. D cannot be found in our output. And also off cannot be found in our output. These are stopwords. They have been removed from our sample text. Now, furthermore, if you want to see the list of stopwords in English language, you run this code on your cell. It outputs the list of stopwords in English language. You can see these are lists of stopwords in English language. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.